Hey guys, welcome back to the channel McNallie Money, home of all things stock, investment, and personal finance related. Now for today's video, we're going to be introducing you to a really innovative company by the name of Thumzup Media Corporation, and they've got a very unique and exciting investment opportunity that we're going to talk about in today's presentation. Now before we get into it, please take a second, hit the like button, you guys. It's a big help to myself and the channel. If you're not already subscribed, McNallie Money, feel free to join. And let me know in the comment section below if you've heard of Thumzup Media before, if you've used their app, and what you think about their business model moving forward. Now with that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so that's right. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a company by the name of Thumzup Media Corporation, which is really on a mission to democratize social media marketing and advertising. And I'm going to explain how their app is doing just that as we move through today's presentation. Now, this is a public company. It is publicly traded, although the volume at this point is very low. And the special investment opportunity I wanted to present in today's video is known as a Reg A Plus offering. So we're going to talk about that in more detail as we move through the presentation as well. Now to kick things off, I wanted to jump over to the Thumzup Media website. I'll leave a link in the video description below if you'd like to go in and take a closer look for yourself and give you guys a little bit of context in terms of what this company is all about. So Thumzup Media Corporation is on a mission to democratize the multi-billion-dollar social media branding and marketing industry. Its flagship product, known as the Thumzup platform, utilizes a robust programmatic advertiser dashboard coupled with a consumer-facing app, which again we'll look at in a second here, to enable individuals to get paid cash for posting about participating advertisers on major social media platforms through the Thumzup app. And again, you can see they make reference to the fact that they're publicly traded on the OTCQB under the ticker symbol TZUP, with ambitions or plans to uplist to a national exchange in the near future. So essentially what Thumzup Media is doing is simultaneously drumming up interest from both advertisers, so at this point small businesses located in the west side of Los Angeles, and in unison to that, creating interest from posters who are looking to make money by representing or creating posts about these advertising brands. And there's actually a really informative video from the CEO himself, Robert Steele, available on YouTube. So I'd encourage you guys to go in and take a watch. It's only a couple of minutes and it really does a good job of explaining the business model and revenue opportunity for Thumzup. Now, although Thumzup is only operating in a relatively small geographic location at this point in time, they already have a number of brand partnerships, as you can see here on the website. And the growth strategy really is intentional, very similar to the launch that we saw from Uber, which focused on a small portion of San Francisco, because they're trying to build that simultaneous awareness with advertisers and posters. They wanted to ensure that their rollout strategy is meaningful and thoughtful. So you can see some of the participating advertisers on the website here and the corresponding rate or payment that would be issued for posting about that brand. So essentially what would happen is individuals would either download the app through the App Store or scan a QR code at one of these participating locations in a brick and mortar store. They would load up the app and they would find brands that they're comfortable promoting on their own social media. And in doing so, they're going to earn a reward or bounty, as you see in the top right corner here, for each approved post from that advertiser. Now there's of course some stipulations on what needs to be posted, an approval process, the amount of times that an individual can post in a given time period, but the simple matter of fact here is you're using word of mouth marketing in a digital fashion to increase brand awareness and receive a kickback for the individual that's posting this on their social media platforms. Now, Robert Steele, who again is the CEO, chairman, and founder of Thumzup Media, has an extensive history with technology. He's a technologist at heart and has been programming computers since the age of 8 years old, and actually started his own technology company at the age of 12 on an Apple II computer. Now, since then, obviously, Robert has gained a ton of experience, and he's also been CEO of two publicly traded companies in the past, the first being Quintech, which was focused on outsourcing services to Fortune 500 clients, and the second, named RightsCorp, which developed software that searched the internet for copyright infringement and data accuracy. Now, where this story really becomes interesting is when you start to look at the macro market dynamics and the investment opportunity, again, the Reg A Plus offering that you're able to obtain with Thumzup Media. So in terms of the market opportunity, social media advertising has reached $226 billion with a compound annual growth rate in excess of 11% compared to 2021 when it was worth just $178 billion. So growing at an exponential rate really across the world right now. In 2027, the social media marketing market is expected to reach $385 billion, and the number of users on social media platforms is expected to reach 5.85 billion individuals by 2027. So not only is a ton of money being directed at social media advertising, but literally billions and billions of people around the world are partaking in social media activity each and every day. Now, the average ad spend per social media user is also rapidly growing. You can see that it's expected to grow from about $30.57 in 2021 up to $52.98 by 2027. So the number of people, the number of brands, and the average spend are all increasing at a macro level, which is absolutely phenomenal for Thumzup. And on top of that, influencer marketing is also expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 29.3% from 2022 through 2030. So a number of key macro tailwinds that are really beneficial for Thumzup and their business offering. Now, what's interesting about the Thumzup strategy, if we jump back to the investor deck, is they're really going about this problem in a unique way. So as you can see here, the rates at which different social media accounts actually interact with their audience or subscribers have various different levels of response rate and effectiveness. So what Thumzup has found is accounts that have under 1,000 followers have 7 times higher response rate compared to professional influencer accounts that have over 100,000 followers. And that's the exact market or niche that Thumzup is targeting. So they're actually looking for micro or small scale social media users to really move the needle for these advertiser brands. And that's really in contrast to a lot of the social media marketing that we see currently, where professional social media accounts are dominating the market. And that, again, at its essence, is what the company is all about by democratizing the way in which social media marketing occurs. So the solution, or the Thumzup platform, actually aggregates these small scale, non-professional social media users, and through the kickback or payment method, actually mobilizes these individual accounts to accurately and creatively represent the advertiser's brand. Now, if we jump back to the company website, where I get really excited here is when you start to look at the intellectual property behind Thumzup. This company is already actively in the marketplace. It's already paying people for their posts and has a big portfolio of brands that they represent, as we saw a couple of slides ago. And as you can see here, this is not one of these companies that's planning to develop a technology. It already has the technology in use, and it's integrating best-in-class services like Venmo, PayPal, and Instagram to really leverage their platform and continue to grow their user base. So with that being said, I now wanted to explain the investment opportunity, or this Regulation A+ offering. So again, this is already a publicly traded company, but what they're doing is they're going out and they're issuing up to $9 million worth of shares at an average price of $4.50 per share, which allows investors to get in at the ground floor of this exciting technology growth company. So there's already a number of investors. The shares are tightly held. That's why there's very low volume being traded currently. And the way in which they're going about this is through this Reg A+ offering. So the shares are registered. They'll be available in your brokerage account. And as soon as they hit your account, you're actually able to sell or trade the shares as you would with any other company on a national exchange. Now, if that wasn't exciting enough, there's also some additional reasons to consider Thumzup Media as an investment opportunity. So as you can see, they're already publicly listed on the OTCQB under the ticker symbol TZUP or TZUP. Your shares are freely tradable as soon as they're issued to you, which I just mentioned. And they're looking to uplist to a national stock exchange within the current year, 2023. So a big catalyst on the horizon for Thumzup Media. Now, the exciting thing about this Reg A+ offering is you're actually going to receive additional bonus shares based on the level of investment you commit to. So investments between $10,000 and $49,999 will receive 5% more shares of common stock for their investment. $50,000 to just shy of $100,000 will receive 10% more shares. $100,000 to just shy of $250,000 will receive 15% more shares. And any investments in this Reg A+ round of over $250,000 will get 20% more shares of common stock for their investment. So not only are you getting in at the ground floor, but the company is actually willing to give additional or bonus shares based on the level of investment. Now, the fifth reason they lay out is that massive market opportunity, which we looked at. So really focused on disrupting that multi-billion-dollar online advertising market, as Uber has done to the cab or rideshare market, and Airbnb, for example, has done to the hotel or vacation market. And you can see in the sixth point, they specifically call out some of those unicorn companies that obviously have done tremendously well and are what Thumzup is really modeling their business plan after. Now, on the last couple of slides, you'll have seen this Invest Today button. So if you do go ahead and click on that button, you can go through the registration process and actually start to get the ball rolling. So I would definitely encourage you guys to go in, take a closer look again on the company website and see if the Thumzup investment opportunity is a good fit for you personally. So with that being said, there's a number of reasons why I'm really excited about Thumzup Media. They're a new company that's just in its infancy. You're able to get in at the ground floor. They've got exciting technology that's already in market and generating a lot of interest in the Los Angeles area. Plus, they've got Robert Steele at the helm as CEO and Danny Lupinelli, who's the technical co-founder with over 15 years software development experience, specially focusing on ad tech, and previously held software engineering positions at Honey, Hulu, and Magnite, focused on their Rubicon project. And Danny's really the key driver behind the easy user interface for both brands and creators on the app and the platform. They provide the tools, they provide the incentives, and they provide the link between these brands, products, and individual accounts to get that advertising interest or traction created. And overall, based again on the macroeconomic environments we're seeing in this space, they believe that this could represent a multi-billion-dollar opportunity as they continue to scale this platform. Now, I'd be super curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section below on Thumzup, if you've used this platform before, and what your thoughts are about their business model and technology. If you're still watching the video at this point, hopefully you found some value, so make sure you hit the like button there, you guys. And if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, McNallie Money, please feel free to do so. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.